Well, there's been talk and debate about doing away with the tax breaks used to lure Hollywood films here to New Mexico. Now the move to get rid of subsidies is officially underway. Supporters of the tax breaks say getting rid of them will cost the state a lot more than it will save. Here's News 13's Alex Tomler.
Dean, officials say New Mexico is holding its own in the film world, with major movies like True Grit being shot here. But one lawmaker says it's costing taxpayers millions we cannot afford right now. They've blown up, cruised through, and according to State Representative Dennis Kentai, cashed in on New Mexico.
Action.
In this time of critical need, we can't afford it. We have people that are being laid off, we have people being furloughed, and we have services that are being cut, while tens of millions of dollars flow to rich Hollywood millionaires.
Kentai has written a bill that would axe the film industry tax credit. Here's how it works. For every $100 a film shooting in New Mexico pays in taxes, the production company gets $25 back from the state.
Over the last 2 years, $135 million have flowed out of the public treasury into the pockets of these film companies.
The state film office says critics are looking at it all wrong.
We have to stop talking about just the money that goes out and look at the full equation, which is the money that comes back in.
Lisa Strout says production companies hire New Mexicans to run sets, rent local hotel rooms, and eat at local restaurants.
Action.
And if the state cuts off the tax incentive,
we are going to actually lose tens of millions of dollars in the next year.
Strout says it's plain and simple. Just look at Arizona. Next week, the state no longer will give film tax credits.
And we have already had 2 different inquiries about coming to New Mexico because even though the script takes place in Arizona, that is not a possibility because they do not have a film tax credit.
She says films will move on to one of the 43 other states offering incentives if New Mexico takes the offer off the table. But Kentai says he thinks the industry can survive here without the cashback reward.
I don't think we'd miss out on any money. We're going to make money. We're going to stop the bleeding from the state treasury.
Other state representatives have said they would like to scale back the film industry incentives, but still support offering something to get movies to keep rolling here in New Mexico. Dean?
All right, Alex, thank you very much. And the studio behind The Avengers just announced it has chosen New Mexico to shoot that blockbuster. Nearly every state in the country was vying for the highly anticipated action.